Healing isn't about erasing pain. It's about learning to breathe again through what remains. This is The Healing Journey, a 12-part series exploring how science, spirit, and ritual intertwine to help us remember our wholeness after loss. Maybe you're here because something broke open in your life. A relationship, a dream, a version of you that no longer fits. You're not here by accident. The Healing Journey meets you exactly where you are. Whether you're just starting to process grief or you're ready to build meaning from what's being lost. This journey is about meeting yourself where you are, with compassion and without judgment. This series is part story, part science, and part soul work. Each chapter guides you through a specific theme of healing, like grounding, release, finding your voice, processing grief, rediscovering joy, and finally, integration. We'll explore how trauma reshapes both the body and the brain, how simple rituals can reawaken a sense of safety within you, and how your own breath can become your most powerful medicine. It's a path to ground, release, rebuild, and remember your true self. I created The Healing Journey for those who carry both ache and hope within them, for the survivors who are tired of just surviving and are ready to truly live again. It's just for anyone who's ready to stop apologizing for the ways they've had to protect themselves to get through it all. Remember, healing is not a straight line, it's a spiral. We often return to the same lessons, but each time, we approach them with more compassion and deeper understanding. Over the next 12 weeks, we'll explore how to rebuild safety, meaning, and joy one breath at a time. Subscribe to follow The Healing Journey or visit Neuronest Yoga. Come to download the Companion Healing Bundle and begin at your own pace. Your healing belongs to you. Thank you for being here.